Okay, so there we go. Now that just gives you a heads up, just to be prepared. The light's going to turn yellow when it stops flashing. When it turns yellow, that's when I scan to make sure that all the traffic is actually going to slow down. Yeah. Awesome. What street are we on? Okay, we'll make a right turn on William up here. So I'm thinking you do quite a bit of driving.
Yeah, enough.
Yeah. That is great. That do you go mostly with your mom or?
My dad.
Yeah. Well, he's done a really good job with you here. We're gonna make a left turn at the yield sign. I think your dad should think about becoming a driving instructor. Huh? Awesome. You find that a little more comfortable, a little more easy? Yeah, right on. So we'll keep going. We'll head into the road test area a little bit just so you get more familiar with the area.
Is that like right in front of the Montrose one?
Yeah, and they have like a zone. They can go anywhere within the zone. So in other words, they don't have like a set route for the road tests. And so, like, we'll be driving around quite a bit in the zone, just so you get familiar with the traffic patterns, where the potholes are. So we'll go right up to that next stop sign up there at the 4-way. That's Atlee, if you're not familiar with the area. I'm just going to name the street.